I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
One of the symptoms of the fiat system, and this is not the fiat system, I don't mean to pick on the fiat system in this case. It's true of any economic system. The best and brightest will go to where they can make the most money. It's just normal and natural, right? Of course, the best and brightest go to where you make the most money. And that's the perverted thing that the fiat system has led us to, is that the best and brightest went to nothing jobs. They went to financial engineering. They went to all the dumbest things you can imagine. They went to being prestigious about not managing inflation risk and all these other things. And when you say that the people in our culture are the ones that have to help make this culture and perpetuate a new world, indeed. But we're already kind of doing it, you know, like a guy like Ben, right? You know, you're in a golden age when the best and brightest are educators, and that's what they do. That educators are like celebrities now. Right, and they are like look out in our culture. Look in Bitcoin. The so-called celebrities are people who just give their time for free and share information for free, and of course are able to make a career out of it. No one's saying you're supposed to sit here and suffer. Everyone, it's a plus game, right? But the idea that the best and brightest are now doing things, and I think that's the world Bitcoiners want to see. They want to see the best and brightest just be farmers again. Like, what's wrong with being a farmer? Like, why can't farmers make all the money? Why does the guy who trades the industrial farm stock, which gives no value to anybody, why is he the rich guy? Right? Why doesn't the landowner? And it used to be that way. You know, Teddy Roosevelt, when he was president, he had a million careers, but before he was president, he was a cattle rancher, right? Cattle ranching was like a major way to make a fortune in America for a long time. And it really isn't anymore. And that's what we want to see change. We want to bring about change where the person who makes the best chair gets paid for it. And we like the chair and it's great. And it's not some fashion thing. And it's not some ironic critique on sitting, right? Like, you know, like we don't want that. We don't want that anymore.
Sitting is racist.